Does your belly get bloated after you eat? And no matter what you eat or don't eat, or how much you eat or don't eat, it still gets bloated. This belly bloating after eating may be caused by a condition called Diastasis Recti. I'm Julie Tupler, creator of the Tupler Technique, a program for treating Diastasis Recti, and I've been treating this condition for over 20 years. A Diastasis Recti is a separation of your outermost abdominal muscles. The function of these muscles is to support your back and to support your organs. When the muscles separate, the connective tissue joining them stretches sideways and becomes thinner and weaker. So now it's this weak connective tissue ineffectively supporting your organs. So after you eat, your organs will move forward. And that is what may be causing your belly bloating. When you do the Tupler technique and bring the muscles back together, then your muscles will be supporting your back and your organs, and this belly bloating will be alleviated. So your next step is check yourself to see if you have a diastasis recti.